For me, fostering was a great way to give back. With not much change to my own life, I was able to change the life of a dog immensely. Many of these dogs have come from horrible situations. Fostering for them is just a great way where they start to learn love and to be comfortable around people again. It's wonderful to see their transition. That's part of the huge reward for me.
Let me tell you about Phoenix. He's the most courageous animal I have ever known. You don't want to know the circumstances out of which he was rescued. You don't want to hear about what all that was wrong with him. Phoenix was slowly dying, and he literally had a matter of days before he was going to suffer one of the most excruciating deaths you can imagine. Emergency surgery saved him. We opened our home and our hearts to him and moved him into our house to continue his treatments and his recuperation. And he was with us a little more than 2 months before he left us.
People often ask, is fostering with Big Fluffy or is volunteering in general a lot of work? Yeah, you're giving up your time, you're giving up your space, you're giving up your home, you're reaching out to a dog in need. Yeah, that takes up time. It's the most rewarding thing that I've done personally, as far as volunteer work goes, but it doesn't come without sacrifice. Fostering almost 30 dogs, I have 30 little pieces of my heart have gone somewhere else, and it's tough sometimes. I get updates from most of the adopters, but it doesn't come without some sort of selflessness.
I did not have a clue about what to do or how to do it. And you may be having some of the same thoughts. So let me tell you about a forum of experienced foster parents. They have been a great help, a great resource, and they'll be for you too.
I also have 2 young children who many people say, isn't that going to be hard for them to see a dog come and go and they're going to get attached? For me and for them, they've handled it wonderfully so far. It's important for me to teach them how important it is to become a responsible pet owner, to adopt, to rescue, to not shop. It can be hard for them to see the dog go when you see them with their forever families, comfortable and getting the love that they deserved all along. That really, really makes it worth it in the long run.
And that's the pain of letting them go when it's time to continue their journey. I wasn't ready because I'd fallen in love with that guy, just like I've fallen in love with every one of them. But that's part of what you sign on for to be a foster parent. When the day comes that I don't hurt to let them go is the day I'm going to stop fostering, because it'll mean I have stopped loving my foster dogs. And I don't think I deserve a dog if I can't love him.
He was adorable, but a little, bald. He had nowhere to go, and I jumped and said, I'll take him in. I'll foster him. He walked into my house bald, and he walked in like he owned the place, and he had just such a wonderful personality and such a glow about him. Well, he never left. So sometimes the dog you least expect could be the perfect dog for you.
Fostering really is one of the greatest things you can do that takes up the littlest amount of time in your life. You're just opening up your home to a dog. You just need to give them love, some food, and really be there for them, and you will make a huge difference in their life forever.
So let me cut to the chase here. If you love dogs, you're in the door. They need to feel safe and secure. They need to feel loved. And they need foster parents who are going to be understanding and patient. Do you have that to give? If you love them and you have that to give, then you really, really ought to try fostering.
When people ask me, whether or not they're cut out to foster, I always say, if you foster one dog in your home and you either send it on its way to its forever home or you fall in love and they stay forever, you've succeeded. Maybe you're not cut out to foster 30 dogs. Maybe you're cut out to foster that one dog and keep that dog forever.
So I really hope you take the time to look at our dogs, really think about it, and join our family. Thank you.